Wow, T-Bone, your sandcastle looks great.
It sure does, T.
Thanks. I did the whole thing all by myself.
Clifford and I know that it's always important to be thoughtful of other people's feelings and ideas. That's why Clifford's big idea for today is respect.
You know what would make it even better, though? A great big flag.
No, I think it's great just the way it is.
There. Now it needs a big wall.
No, it doesn't.
Cleo, this is T-Bone's castle. Before you change it, you should find out if he wants you to.
I'm sorry. Next time I'll remember to ask first.
Sometimes our friends have thoughts and feelings that are different from ours. When we take the time to find out about those differences, it shows how much we care. That's why Clifford's big idea for today is respect.